guys, welcome back to the other vlog. Today we have Skoda Superb 2019 model LNK top of the line petrol. Let's start by opening up the hood, and it's very heavy. Oh god, hydraulic studs right there. So this is the 1.8 TSI motor which produces 175 horsepower and 250 newton meter of torque. It is 4-cylinder turbocharged direct injector engine which is has ample of power and torque right on your foot. So let's start with the car. The car is pretty lengthy. You can see in the first shot the car is pretty lengthy, and you have daylight running lamps here, fully projector setup here with bi-LEDs, fog lamps, cornering fog lamps. You have parking sensors right there. You have 6 parking sensors. This parking sensor helps you for the automatic parking assist. You have typical Skoda grille along with chrome running along the downside as well, which is pretty interesting. जो पुरानी वाली Skoda 2020 Superb में आता था, अब facelifted version is totally different from the front and the back side. The main side frame of the body remains the same. You have request sensors in both the doors, both the doors, chrome garnishing here. You have good 18-inch alloys. प्रोफाइल एक बार देखते हैं गाड़ी की क्या है. टायर्स की प्रोफाइल साइज चलो उस टाइम में देखेंगे, यहाँ से दिख नहीं रहा. यू हैव ORVMs, ऑटो डिमिंग ORVMs. यू हैव पटल लैम्प है जो रात को जलता है. इट लाइट अप. यू कैन सी इट राइट नाउ अभी. ओके, बात करते हैं पीछे वाले डोर की. यू हैव बिग ह्यूज डोर, you know, with sun blinds here, manual sun blinds here. You can do the sun blinds here manually. Then you have very ample amount of leg room here, quite comfortable seats. That's the issue. Okay, so you have Lauren Clement here, if you, in case you forget which model you have. Armrest right there. You have cup holders. You have a secret to go inside the boot if you want to. Just kidding, guys. Alright, you have neck rest for the third passenger, You have a big lump here, so third passenger might not be just right comfortable here. Well, that's alright. Let's step inside. Okay, how does the cabin feel? Cabin feels very luxurious, very comfortable. Soft plastics used all over the place. You have the ambient lighting here. Okay, the seats are very comfortable. You have under thigh support as well. Plenty of room. If you want to have more room, you can just, push it forward. Okay, it takes a lot of time. 1, 2, 3, 4, tick tock. Alright, it just doesn't end. Okay. Yeah, now done. And you can, just get into the real boss mode. हो जा भाई. Okay. So look at it here. कितनी ज़्यादा स्पेस है भाई, पूरा आदमी लेट सकता है यहाँ पे. Okay, I am here. See how much leg room I have now. You have rear AC here. It's on low. Vents for the person. That is 12-volt socket here. Something to keep, dustbin. And you have airbags right there. You have airbags, not here, sorry. You have airbags right there. You have a hook to keep something, handle to hold on to when you're driving really fast. Hook, light, hook, again. Sun blinds you have, manual sun blinds you have here for your privacy. And you feel just relaxed here. You can see that there is no such sound of any engine inside the cabin until unless you rev it way too hard, and that also makes a very smooth and nice to hear sound. So car is on right now and you can't hear a thing here. So this is all from the back seat. Let's go and check out the boot. Okay, Lauren Clement right here again, puddle light here, and basically you can see a warning light here. So that is nice. Let's close the door. Doors are very heavy, I tell you. Skoda doors are very heavy, man. Okay. So, okay, that's on the boss mode right now. You have to do it. You have all the electric seats here, adjustment. Tanton 11 speaker system here, that sounds perfect. amazing. Lauren Clement again, in case you forget again. Neck rest adjuster here. Okay, let's close the door. Let's come back to the boot. Okay, let's open the boot. Huge boot. It has a huge boot. So you have medical kit here. You can some storage here. 12-volt socket again here. That's a hook to hold on to. Again a hook. Hold on to. That's the woofer, I guess. Yes, that's the big woofer for the 11 Canton 11 speaker system. Huge boot. Electric tailgate. You can close it off from here. No such worries here. The car is on. Petrol here, 95 octane, 91 octane minimum. So that's performance wise very nice. Okay, let's get back here into the seats. You have memory function adjustments here. You have electric adjustments. And one more thing I have to tell you is that you have pretty much ample space to keep all your water bottles and everything. You know, soft materials are used here. Very soft materials are used here and they are pretty nice. Very nice to handle. And you know, it doesn't make any creaky sounds when such things are here. No rattling noise comes from here. That is one good thing. Automatic lights as well as fog lights, rear fog lights. Something places to keep here. You can keep anything you want. Then typical Skoda car. Okay, wait. First, let me just get this back to the position. You know, it's very irritating while you're here in the cabin. भाई कितना टाइम लेता है? Okay, I guess that's enough. You don't want much to happen. You can see airbags written right there. Okay, so I must tell you, this is a pretty old car now. It's 2024, end of 2024, and this car is from 2019. So cabin feels a little bit outdated, but it is amazing. You don't get a digital cluster over here, Skoda typical digital cluster that you get these days. But this 8.1 inch screen is very nice, very informative, and it is, you know, back in the day it was, you know, something you could have, you wanted to have. See the animation over here, the Skoda car and everything. AC is activated. Let me just put it off. I mean on. Okay, what's happening? On. Okay, so let's get back to the digital cluster and instrumental cluster here. So we have rain sensing wiper options here. All right. Automatic headlamps and everything can be controlled from here. You have cruise control here and high beam, low beam functions as well as cruise limit speed limit setter. Tektonics plus minus you have here that you need in the DSG DQ100. I must tell you that it was not a reliable transmission, and this car in itself has got one transmission changed back in the day just because it is so unreliable but so quick, and it, you know, really gives you the feels and the punch. Typical Skoda, Volkswagen, Audi thingy, yeah, right? Okay. So what do we have here? Let's toggle. So this is for the toggle switch. Okay. Let's get back. You have the audio. You have the, okay, sorry. Focus in your bhai. Okay, let's get back and see. You have telephone here. You have vehicle settings. You have driver data. You have navigation that is not working right now. Audio and all this stuff. You get into the vehicle settings. No entries. Okay. Audio, navigation, driving data. Average consumption 4.3 kilometer. Consumption right now is like, because I'm not driving right now. Warning ad set नहीं करा हुआ है, कितनी speed पे warning चाहिए, navigation हमें नहीं चाहिए. That's all. You have all the other gimmicks here. So this is for the audio controls, plus minus for the volume. You can see in there, plus volume is getting minus plus. Speaking command wala thingy. To change on the FM things, you have it here. You have 3-zone climate control. You can set it from low. You have ventilated as well as heated seats. You can see you can heat them and cool them at the same time, but you have to do it from the screen only. Like you can do it, the cold ones you can do it from the button, but the heating system can only be done from the screen. That is quite annoying, you know. Ventilated seats don't make a lot of noise like the other competitors in the market, but yes, They work really good. So what do we have here? We have different modes. We have eco, normal, sport and individual. So basically when you go to individual now, you can do a lot of changes according to yourself. That is, you want steering in normal or sport. Sport में थोड़ा सा heavy हो जाता है. Sport में थोड़ा heavy हो जाता है. और नॉर्मल में लाइट रहता है. डायनेमिक कॉर्नरिंग लाइट्स, यू वांट कॉर्नरिंग लाइट्स कैसी चाहिए, वो इसमें भी आपके पास फंक्शन है इको, स्पोर्ट एंड नॉर्मल. एयर कंडीशनिंग नॉर्मल या फिर इको में चाहिए वैसी. एंड रीसेट मोड ड्राइव में आपको अगर स्पोर्ट में चाहिए, नॉर्मल में, इको में, वो आप कर सकते हो. इंडिविजुअल में हिसाब से आई एम सॉरी फॉर माई थ्रोट. Okay, then you have the sport. That is the most pleasurable driving experience you can get out of this car. Normal is normal, you can drive it day to day, but the fuel consumption of this car is very bad, I must tell you. I'm driving normally around the city and it will give you around 8-9 kilometers per liter, and if you really give it to the beans, you will get 5 or 6 kilometer per liter. That is very bad, you know. You have to every day go to the petrol pump to get your car filled if you're having a long run every day. So you have this compartment glove box. It is first of all chilled. You can put your CDs here or SD cards here. That is Skoda multimedia. That is something typical of every Skoda, Volkswagen, Audi group cars. Pretty huge glove box. You can accommodate a lot of things here. The armrest as well is cooled. You can see it is cooled and it is pretty big armrest. You can keep a lot of things here. This is the cup holder. You can keep cups here. Sorry, it is dirty right now, but it's fine. And again, something to keep here. USB port, 12 watt socket here. Okay, let's close it. Fatafat ho ja bhai. You have park assist here that I'll show you in the video. You have parking assist warnings. That is, when you're driving, you get all the sensor T. This is to open the boot. This is auto hold when you're driving, and if you stop on a red light and the car is on D and you just put on the brakes, the car will put hold to the car like it's a temporary parking brake, and once you put on the accelerator it disengages. So that is pretty nice. I'll show you. Now the car is in D. Alright, I'll disengage the handbrake. Now once I accelerate and I brake, so you see this green light P. See, my foot is not on the brake, not on the accelerator, and the car is in D, and this is holding the car. So this is quite a good feature here. Once I put my feet on the accelerator, it disengages. That is pretty nice. Put the car on the parking again. So good. This is to unlock and lock the car. One touch up and down for all the 4 passengers. That is pretty nice. Auto dimming RVMs, and has a very cool feature. When you put the car in the reverse, the mirrors go down. That is also nice. So some good pretty features around here. Let's talk about the screen. You have radio. You have radio. You have media. You can connect your phone. You can give voice commands. Then we come back to media. You can go to settings. There are a lot of different settings for the car. Okay, no data available. I'm sorry. Let's go to menu. Then you have smart link, vehicle, traffic navigation is not working. You have to get it from the company. You have to pay for it monthly or annually, I don't know. Then media, radio, settings, screen time, language, all that. You make it system settings there. Then you go back again. Okay. Then what do you have here? This is air conditioning. Oh, you can, by the way, this is very cool. आप air conditioning यहाँ से भी set कर सकते हो. If you don't want to use these buttons, you can use these buttons as well. You have air care that purifies your air in the car's climate, and that is very nice. All right, let's get back. भाई ये animation कितना अच्छा लग रहा है ना गाड़ी का. It is very nice. Long term, you get the fuel economy. Selection का रखा है. I can go back to the vehicle status. No entries. You can tire pressure loss monitor, TPMS basically. Vehicle status is all good. No warnings here. The car will give you warning. You have a big sunroof, but this is not working right now. The car has aged and this cloth has gone, very loose. So, but this roof is very big. You can still open it. Auto dimming IRVM. That is ORVM. That is ORVM. Sorry, मैंने IRVM बोल दिया था. That is ORVM. That is IRVM. Again, you have a good vanity mirror here. Hi guys, light here. That's nice. And what all do you have here? Okay, that is for the light. When the door opens, lights to get on. Sunroof functions. cabin lights, and that's all. Rear lights on करनी है नहीं करनी. These are the mics for the car, and rest is all done. So पीछे से भी ऐसी दिखती है. बाकी सारा सिस्टम भाई ठीक ही है. हुड मैंने आपको खोल के दिखा दिया है. ड्राइव की मैं आपको वीडियो अभी बनाते हैं, and I'll show you. So let's get driving. Okay, bye. Tada doodles guys. Okay, तो अब आते हैं ड्राइविंग पर. अभी आई एम ड्राइविंग ऑन ए हाईवे एंड द कार इज क्रूजिंग एट द स्पीड ऑफ 50-55 एंड अब ट्रैफिक आ गया. तो चलो ट्रैफिक आ गया तो अच्छी बात है. ट्रैफिक के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं. कार ट्रैफिक में ऑब्वियसली थोड़ी लंबी तो है ही, बट द स्टीयरिंग इज़ वेरी लाइट. यू कैन टर्न इट ईजीली. क्लासिक स्कोडा थिंग, सी यू कैन टर्न इट ईजीली. एंड रादर देन दैट, उसके अलावा बात करें, सो द DSG वर्क्स वेरी नाइस. इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ. थोड़ा सा लैग आता है व्हेन यू ट्राई टू पिक, बट ठीक है, ज़्यादा लैग नहीं है. DSG में हल्का सा लैग तो आता ही है, ये तो नेचुरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. बट उसके बाद इट शिफ्ट्स वेरी स्मूथली एंड वेरी नाइसली. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि कब गियर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. लाइक वी आर इन द थर्ड गियर नाउ, और मेरे को पता भी नहीं चला. तो इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट इन दैट टर्म्स. गियर शिफ्टिंग आपको बिल्कुल भी पता नहीं चलेगी, चाहे वो अप शिफ्ट हो रहा है और डाउन शिफ्ट हो रहा हो. तो ये तो एक बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. एवरेज 6.9 किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर है फ़िलहाल, एंड ये रियल दिखा रही है. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, द पर्सन हु इज़ बाइंग अ स्कोडा सुपर्ब विल नॉट थिंक ऑफ द एवरेज. ऑब्वियसली एवरेज वोंट मैटर टू हिम और हर. बाकी कैबिन इज़ वेरी वेल इंसुलेटेड. कोई बाहर से आवाज़ ज़्यादा नहीं है. टायर्स की आवाज़ थोड़ी थोड़ी आती है. सस्पेंशन इज़ लिटिल बिट ऑन अ स्टिफर साइड, बट इट्स ओके. नॉट दैट मच स्टिफ कि इट बिकम्स क्या कहते हैं, वेरी अनसेटलिंग. बट येस, इट इज़ ऑन अ स्टिफर साइड, बट दैट्स ओके. हाई स्पीड्स में 80-85 के ऊपर स्टीयरिंग स्टिफ हो जाता है. फॉर गुड कंट्रोल आपकी कार कंट्रोल में रहती है, गाड़ी दब के चलती है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसमें. ड्राइविंग के हिसाब से कार इज़ वेरी नाइस. हाँ, आपको एक चीज़ दिखाता हूँ. जैसे वी हैव स्टॉप्ड इन द ट्रैफिक, राइट. आई हैव ऑटो पार्क ऑन. दिस इज़ ऑटो पार्क. So you will see this green P here. So that signifies that I'm standing and my car is in D, and even if I take off my foot from the brakes, the car will not move unless I press the accelerator. So that is one good thing. It is not that much. It decreases your efforts while driving, और उतना ही कम टायरसम होता है ये. तो ये एक अच्छी चीज़ है. Plus you have all surround parking sensors, so it helps in not only auto parking but also park assist के साथ साथ आपको ट्रैफिक में भी ये पू ज़्यादा नहीं करता. जब कार बहुत ही क्लोज आ जाएगी तो टू करेगा. उसके अलावा ये ज़्यादा परेशान नहीं करता है. एंड इट रियली हेल्प्स बिकॉज द हुड इज़ वेरी लॉन्ग एंड साइड का भी, बिकॉज द लेंथ ऑफ द कार इज़ नाइस. तो उसके हिसाब से भी इट हेल्प्स. So it is one of the good features here. Obviously 360 degree camera नहीं आता. It's an old model, superb. I guess 2020 model है या 2021 model है. So तब 360 degree camera नहीं आता था. And no ADAS also. ADAS के लिए यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, but ADAS नहीं आता था उस टाइम में. So this is a part sharing from international models. Skoda is doing that. Overall ride comfort is nice and it's a good cabin to be in. ज़्यादा शोर नहीं है, तो अच्छी चीज़ है ये. तो you can see the view. Side mirrors are nice. Side mirrors adjust when you reverse. थोड़ा नीचे हो जाते हैं जब आप रिवर्स करते हो. Typical German car thing. So एक वो अच्छी चीज़ है. Okay, तो जी अब हम लोग आ गए हैं शहर में. एंड शहर में भाई car is pretty nice to drive actually. It is long but the suspension is very good. Little bit on a harder side but largely on a softer side. तो potholes and rumble strips से कोई भी मतलब ज़्यादा नहीं आता है impact अंदर. And see the acceleration normal mode. Kick in and here we go. The car absolutely goes to 100 like whoop, and पता भी नहीं चलता. The DQ200 shifts absolutely perfect. This gearbox is nice. थोड़ा सा unreliable है, but the gearbox is nice. And overall car चलाने में बहुत smooth है. कोई भी आपको engine की noise when you're cruising नहीं आती है. The car cruises at around 1500-1600 RPM at D7. That is, you know, this DQ200 is 7-speed automatic, and it is pretty nice and smooth to run. Unreliable है, वो अलग चीज़ है. You have good ambient light here. थोड़ी रात होती थी पूरे all doors. You can see it on the all doors. The materials used is very nice. The plastic and the rubber used here is absolutely nice and gives you a good luxurious feeling. Dual tone interiors, that is beige and black in the cabin with some wood finishing and interior lights, ambient light. That is nice, and you know, gives you a good grasp and grip of the interior. मतलब अच्छा लगता है ना. grasp and grip मतलब ये हुआ कि आपको चिपक के रखेगा इंटीरियर से. आपको अच्छा लगता रहेगा कि यार क्या गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. So that is nice. जैसे अभी रंपर स्ट्रिप से गए तो अंदर कैबिन में कोई नॉइज़ या रैटलिंग नॉइज़ नहीं आती बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. हाँ, थोड़ी सी नीची है तो आपको स्पीड ब्रेकर्स पे थोड़ा सा you have to be careful and conscious about it. Otherwise the car is good for the roads, city roads as well. City drive अच्छी है, but हाँ वही एवरेज कम देगी, फ्यूल इकोनॉमी कम है. तो obviously by when someone is buying a Superb, so he or she shouldn't mind the bad fuel economy. Now look at the interiors. When we get into the tunnel, you can see, wow, look at the fine, you know, ambient light inside, and the interior just grows on you. You light, it grows on you, and it is pretty good. You have the footlight in all the 4 cabins, मतलब on the seats, and थोड़ा roomy and airy effect आता है. अच्छी चीज़ है. ड्राइविंग, क्रूजिंग बढ़िया है यार. चलाते चलाते मज़ा आ रहा है. ये तो सिटी ड्राइव की बात हो गई. हाईवेज पे भी एक्सेलरेशन इज़ गुड. Keeps you stick to the ground. The car is very, very grounded. It runs like anything. You reach to higher speeds in a blink and you don't even realize you're driving at that higher speeds. Braking is phenomenal. The car can stop the way car can run. You know, as fast as it can go, it can stop that easily as well. So braking, ESC, traction control, pretty nice. Koda's build quality has never been doubted. Airbags, plenty of airbags in the car. What else do you need? Good speakers, nice engine, good transmission. Everything is nice. Overall, a very good package. So I hope you like the vlog. I hope you like the review. If you guys want to get your cars reviewed by me, you can hit me up on Instagram, or you can share a comment, give a comment, and I'll approach you guys. So thank you for watching. That's all.